Hi and welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. I'm here with my daughter and she and I are going to be drawing
Cinderella.
Yeah. Alright, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's get going. We're going to start by drawing her eye. You kind of want it up here so you don't run out of space down here. So her eye, yeah, right around there. We're going to draw a rainbow shape. And then we're going to do a curved line underneath. And then she's actually going to be looking this way.
That way.
Mm-hmm. And then you can draw the pupil inside with a highlight in there. And then I'm just going to thicken it up a tiny bit right here. And then I'm going to add some little eyelashes coming off right there. Okay, and now, cute. Now I'll draw a little nose right here. Perfect. And then we're going to draw her other eye. So we'll draw the rainbow shape again. And a curved line underneath. So basically the same as we drew before. Except for the eyelashes will be coming off this side. No, I like it this way. Very cute. Very good. Okay, so now we're going to draw her smile. So you do a line like that. And then kind of like a curvy V underneath. Very beautiful. Okay, so now we're going to draw her cheek right here. And it's going to curve under her mouth and then stop right here. Very good. And then we're going to draw her ear right here. You can draw an earring dangling down from her ear. Very nice. Okay, so we're gonna swoop her hair up to here. Nice. And then we're gonna come over here. It's okay. We're gonna come over here and do a line up, and then it's gonna curve over and gently swoop up and meet up right here. And you might want to meet it up a little more. Good job. Okay, so there's going to be some hair that covers up her headband. And so what we're going to do is we're going to do a rainbow shape right here. An upside down rainbow.
A U.
No, it's kind of wide like a rainbow. And then it's going to come behind her hair right here. It helps if you hold your paper. I always have my hands right here because it helps me support my paper so it's not moving while I'm drawing. All right, and then we're gonna do one more swoop line right here. Very nice. We're gonna do this side of her headband. So it goes to here. And then...
Should I do right here, the headband?
Yeah. And then we're gonna swoop her hair around and then it'll meet up with her cheek right here. Beautiful. Okay, and then this headband is gonna come back and curve down in.
Maybe I should draw a line right here and
Yeah.
then make it darker down here.
Yeah, you could do hairlines in there if you want. That would be cool. All right, and now we're gonna draw a line from this part of the headband and meet it up with the swoop down here. Oh yeah, you need to finish your headband first. Okay, and now you do another curve. Hold on. Curve from here to there now. Very good. Okay, and now we're gonna draw her bun. And so you can either just do one bun, or you can do it like extra floofy and big. I'm gonna do it like that, extra big, like that. And then I need to draw one more line for the headband that I was missing. Beautiful. Now she's missing some eyebrows. We need to give her some eyebrows. So you can do a little line up and then over. And then can give her an eyebrow over here that goes behind her hair. Very nice. Okay. I think I want her eyebrow to come down a little bit more. All right, so now we're gonna draw her neck. So 2 little lines right here, not too long. And then her shoulder is like this. And then her other shoulder comes over like that. Okay, and we're gonna give her a necklace real quick. It's just a little black choker. Oh, you're giving her a pearl choker. All right, and then right at the middle part in between her shoulder and her neck, we're gonna do her chest. We're gonna curve it out and then back in and then down. And then we're gonna do a V shape right here, and then this side's wider and comes over and stops right there. Perfect. All right, and then we're gonna do a little curve right here. Very nice. And then her arm is gonna come right here. You see that? And then it's gonna get thinner as it gets toward her elbow. And then she's got a glove on right here. Okay, and then her forearm is actually gonna be going this way, just a little line going that way. And then we're gonna do angle it up like that for her hand. And then her fingers are gonna come over and down, then back up. And if you can fit little finger lines in there, that'd be awesome. And then her hand's gonna come down and then over and meet up with her elbow. All right, and then from right here where we have this point, this is where her translucent or see-through poofy sleeves are. So you come out and then curve up and then down. And when we color it, you'll just color that all a light blue and then skin color on either side. Okay? All right, so then from where this little C shape meets up with the arm, that's where the waist comes down. Very nice. So now we're gonna do her translucent sleeve over here. So you make it curve up and over and back in. Okay, and then her arm is gonna be coming down at this angle. So it's gonna come down to about there. And then let's draw to her elbow right here. Perfect. And then we're gonna come down a little bit, taper it together. And then her glove is right here, the top of her glove. Yeah, perfect. And then her hand goes kind of curved up and down. And then her thumb is down here, like this. Okay. All right. So now we're going to draw a V shape right here. And this side curves more like this. This side goes out like that. And then there's like a little thing for her waist right there. And then we're going to swoop this out this way. So start from the V, yeah. And swoop,
Where?
swoop it out to about here. Beautiful. And then you're gonna curve this down, and they're gonna meet up not at a point, but at a curve. Perfect. That's very good. Okay. And then we're going to take right here at the V, sweetie. Oh, okay, making yours thicker. Now we're gonna come to this V again, and we're gonna curve it out this way. And it's a little bit smaller, yeah. And then we're gonna take over here, and we're gonna curve it down, and then meet up. Okay. Her dress is kind of flowing this way, so that's why this side.
She's kind of running.
Yeah. You could have it be where she's running away from the prince. Though if we're doing that, maybe the smile isn't appropriate. Because she's like, ah. Okay. So now we're going to have, so you don't meet it up right here, you meet it up right here. And you swoop out like that. Right there. And then you're gonna, okay, you're gonna take from the V and swoop down like this. Okay, and then you're gonna come to the V again, and then it's gonna be wider down at the bottom. Yeah, perfect.
It's more like she's playfully running from the prince.
Now you're gonna come under here, so not at the edge, but under here, and you're gonna just do a curved line out like that. All right, so now it joins up right here. Okay, and then you're gonna bring those together like that. And then this is gonna curve up and down and up. And you can even like curl this one around like that. And right here if you want. Okay. And then you can draw some lines in here.
Some wrinkle lines.
And then you can do some ruffle lines in here. So you do like 3 ruffle lines here, and then you skip and you continue them over there like that. Yeah. And then you can do 3 ruffle lines here too. Okay. And then I think I'll do 1 ruffle line right here. There, that looks nice. Okay, now she's gonna have her glass slipper on right here. So you curve it down like that, and then it goes back and up, and then down for the heel, and then back up. And then that's her foot. And then when you're coloring it, you can just color it a light blue. Very nice. And then her other foot is going like this because she's running, so like the heel doesn't show. So you could just have it be a bare foot if you want her shoe to be lost. But if you don't want her shoe to be lost, you can just draw that curve for the top of her foot. All right, this looks good. I like it. Pause it here if you want to use ours as an example for coloring it. Let's show yours. It's so good. Good job drawing Cinderella. I love it. And I hope you had fun drawing Cinderella with us. I would love to see how yours turns out. Send it to me on Instagram at Sarah Hatch Art Studio. You can tag me or send it to me in direct messages. And I would love to see it. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our future videos. We're going to be drawing lots of fun princesses and other fun characters from different Disney movies in the next little bit. So that should be fun. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.